Okay, so I just got my keys, and Molly's over by the building already with my luggage, so that was really helpful that I didn't have to drag it all the way over here. I'm supposed to be in a suite style room, so you basically have the living room, the bathroom, and the kitchens all shared, and then everyone else there's 4 of us, and we all have our own room. At least that's what I'm supposed to have, I think. I have a room. There's Molly that helped me move in. Okay, so it came with like a kitchen set, which we haven't opened yet, and then it had a linen set that I haven't opened yet either. And so there's no Wi-Fi, but there is an Ethernet cable. And look, I have a tiny mirror. Hello. And then of course the closet. So it's like a place to hang on one side and then shelves on the other. Yeah, there's my window. I can show you the view. I get to see all the trains come in and out. Seems appropriate, right? I'll be in them enough. So then we have the shower in this one, and a sink. And then here's our toilet, which does not have a sink, but I guess you can wash your hands in the kitchen. And then here's our kitchen. So we have a little table, 4 chairs, TV, this weird looking balcony thing, I don't know. Another room, trash can, that's an interesting stove too. And then I think one of those is a freezer and one of those is a refrigerator. I'm not sure, but, oh, and then there's B, which is me, so this would be my cabinet to put all my kitchen stuff. So, yeah. I'm gonna clean sheets. Oh, my quilt. Cool. Yeah. Is it a duvet? Maybe I can do a duvet cover.
Quilt cover.
Oh, cool. That works. Fitted sheet. Okay. I was hoping for a pillow. Is there no pillow? Do I have to go buy a pillow? Darn it.
Yep, you're gonna have to buy a pillow.
Oh, that's not fun. Okay, in the kitchen set. Oh yeah, so I got these little notes. There's one about cleaned room, and then there's one about if we've been gone a while, what to do. So the kitchen set had a mop head, a extension cord, that kind of thing, and a roll of toilet paper. Because it didn't come with one, which I didn't, so. Haven't done any shopping yet either. I think the mop stick was in there already. I'm not sure why we don't just get a mop stick head to share though. Okay.
This is what you should have.
Ah, a list.
It's all in Dutch.
Of course.
So you got pans, cutting boards.
Ooh, knives.
Can opener. That looks very interesting.
Pans. Gonna break the
You
plates.
get 1 plate and 1 bowl.
Okay.
You gotta do your dishes every time you eat. You get
Fun.
a wok though.
Ah, fun.
Kinda cool. I'm like, your cups are in there.
I guess my washcloth wrapping. Spoons.
An unpackaged knife that I was stuck in.
That doesn't seem safe.
Another knife.
There's forks and spoons, which I brought my own of those.
1 spoon.
So I'll have 2 of
And
those.
1 tiny spoon.
Oh, I got a teaspoon.
There you go.
Cool. So that's everything the apartment came with.